Hi, I'm Jo, a postdoctoral researcher at Nottingham University, and today I'm going to present some of the research that we've conducted that aims to investigate the role of inhibition in multiplication fact learning. The background is that many individuals struggle with multiplication, but understanding and knowing multiplication facts is really important because it frees up cognitive resources. So, for example, being able to automatically retrieve the answer to 6 times 7 saves you from having to calculate an answer, and instead you can focus on more complex areas of maths. Few have investigated why people find multiplication hard. However, theories propose that multiplication facts are stored in memory and they're associated with one another, such that when presented with a given multiplication problem, you have to inhibit kind of interfering associations to other problems. Our research aims to investigate this suggestion, and today I'm going to present the method and results of a well-powered pre-registered study that we've just finished. So in the study, people were in one of two conditions. The first that I call animal multiplication, and the second number multiplication. So both of these conditions, these two types of tasks are intermixed on a trial-by-trial basis. So for example, in the animal multiplication condition, you first see an animal Stroop trial where the physical and real life size are either congruent or incongruent with one another, followed by a multiplication trial that consists of a multiplication problem, followed by two answers, one of which is correct and the other that's incorrect. Crucially, the incorrect answer is either related to the correct answer in that it's in the multiplication times table, in this case, the 6 times table, and that should, in theory, cause interference, or the incorrect answer is not in the times table of the problem and therefore shouldn't cause interference. And the number multiplication task is very similar, but here we've got congruent and incongruent number trials rather than animal trials. And what we're looking for is what they call a conflict adaptation effect, which is a well-established finding that performance on current sort of incongruent or interfering trials is better when the trial immediately before it was also incongruent, with the explanation being that you kind of deploy inhibition and it carries over across trials. For our pre-registered outcome variables of accuracy and reaction time, we found evidence in both of those of a conflict adaptation effect, where people were better on these interfering incorrect multiplication problems after having solved an incongruent animal or number trial. We conclude that inhibition can transfer between different tasks and different domains, so mathematical and non-mathematical, and our findings support existing theories of multiplication facts being stored in associative networks.